Oh, look. Oh, wait. I just discovered a new feature. Apparently you could clip it to your backpack and then just, kind of pull it around and use it, and then it'll snap back. Please don't snap yourself in the face with it, because that would be something I would do. Hi everybody, it's Associate Dean Elaine Wilson, for those of you who have not met me yet or don't recognize me because I have my mask on. As many of you know, being the comic book geek that I am, I'm all about the unboxings. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check out this gator. So I'm going to take my mask off for 30 seconds and Chelsea's social distance, so we're good. It is in fact a fashion gator, so we're going to test that out right now. And it is supposed to be washable. It is a lovely polyester fabric. Many polys dyed to make this gator for you. And hopefully I can put this on without undoing my microphone. You have an option of getting the gator, right? Or getting the mask. I have mask at home. You probably do too from the summer, so I didn't have a gator, so I chose that. But whatever you're most comfortable with, as you probably know, the university is requiring you to have your nose and mouth covered at all times when you're in the building, including in class. So having multiple options, probably a good idea, because you should probably launder them every once in a while too. So fashion gator, very fashionable, is one of the things that comes with your PPE kit. So in the kit itself, however, so first of all, it comes in this lovely bag, and I'm already planning on what I'm going to do with that. I think for those of you who have had me for class, this is going to where I'm going to put my whiteboard markers that are always dried out, and I have to bring my own. So that's going to be the use of that. So that's a happy addition. Moist wipes, 75% alcohol moist wipes. Now, I don't know about you guys, but as far as I can tell, these things are like gold right now. Like, I've had to go to Chicago and import my bleach wipes. I'm guessing that there's probably like a black market in mice wipes right now. I know books are expensive, but don't sell your moist wipes. The good news is this is a backup for you, because we are going to have cleaning products in all the classrooms, so you shouldn't need to use this to wipe down your spaces or anything like this. This is your backup if you get lost in the wilderness and need alcohol wipes. Similarly, you have your own gel, disinfectant, antibacterial stuff that comes on this lovely gator, so you can hang it on your backpack because your backpack isn't heavy enough already. You have this handy tool, which is supposed to help you open doors if you don't want to touch doors. Lou will be around cleaning the doorknobs pretty regularly, but he can't be everywhere at once. And of course, the last thing you've got is disposable masks. So the reality is, and I've done this already, you guys probably have too, which is, you find yourself walking in the door, for me it's the Kroger, and you're like, damn, I forgot my mask. So heaping these around, we'll have them in the lobby, so if you do lose your mask or forget it, or it's in the dryer, you'll have these of your own stash, and we'll have them so that you can use them as a backup. So that is your exciting PPE kit. I know that this is a very strange way to start the semester, but we're excited to see you all again, and hopefully we can do everything to keep the building as safe and clean as possible, to keep each other safe as clean as possible, and kind of move forward as a law school community. Enjoy the rest of your summer, and we'll see you later.